The overall goal of this procedure is to enhance the optoelectronic properties of lead halide perovskite through monovalent cation doping to fabricate highly efficient perovskite solar cells.
Incorporation of monovalent cations into lead halide perovskite significantly improves the semiconductor quality and photovoltaic behavior of this material. Adding a rational amount of low-cost monovalent cation dopants to perovskite materials enhances charge mobility and reduces energetic disorder by an order of magnitude.
To begin preparing the substrate, use semi-transparent acrylic adhesive tape to cover 2/3 of the conductive side of an FTO-coated glass slide. Then, coat the uncovered areas with zinc powder. Pour a solution of 2 molar hydrochloric acid and distilled water over the slide to etch the substrate. Use a cotton swab to wipe the residue from the exposed sections of the slide. Rinse the etched FTO substrate with distilled water and then remove the tape. Wash the etched surface in a 2% weight by volume solution of alkaline liquid detergent concentrate in water. Sonicate the FTO substrate for 10 minutes each in acetone and isopropanol baths in sequence. Treat the FTO substrate in an oxygen plasma cleaner for 15 minutes to finish cleaning the etched substrate. To deposit the hole-blocking compact titanium oxide layer, first place the etched and cleaned FTO substrate on a hot plate at 450 degrees Celsius. Immediately cover the contact area with a pre-cut glass slide.